Hello guys and welcome back to another Nerdbender YouTube video. So, in life sometimes you can try and do things and fail at them. Normally, you try again, and today I've decided I'm going to be a bit normal and just try again to solve the Rubik's Cube 8 days after the catastrophe that was last Friday. So, as I said at the end of last video, which was the tribute to the Wii, that I knew where I went wrong just from like observation. Sorry, not observation. Thingy. Looking at the algorithms for the next stage, I realised that I'd gone wrong. So we're gonna get into solving it. Yes, I will be using the algorithms for the later stages. I have not learned them yet. I've got them wrote down somewhere. Right. It's in a pocket like over there somewhere or something like that. Right. Okay. I'm just kind of looking at where to go. Yeah, that works. That's the next one we want. And the white cross is completed. I'll corner pieces. I'm just looking for a corner piece in a good place. It's orange and blue, so it goes there. That goes like that. That goes down there. That's conveniently placed corner. Also, anytime I'm like just glancing to the left over there, because when I'm recording this right now it's 4:25, and so the 3 o'clock football games around the world, around England and Scotland and stuff, are still on. So I'm still following this, even though there's no West Ham playing. We play Liverpool on Monday. Let's hope we don't get battered, as I have just finished the white face. Right. Okay. That's a red piece. So we'll put there. Okay, now we need to like do the stuff to get the cubes that we need out, because some of them are in places that we don't need them to be, so we won't keep them there. Right here. Again, there's a problem there. Okay, now I just have to do the thing of creating the yellow cross, which I'm learning the algorithm for, but I don't know it off by heart. So I'm just going to get that up quickly. easy solution. Yellow cross. Right. So yeah, I know. Let's die because we've got a yellow L anyway. So. Okay, so we've already got all the corners in places from doing that, so actually we'll still do the thing, because this is like one of the later algorithms that I do know. Yeah, this was the part that I badly messed up last time, but I know where I went wrong, and it won't be happening again. Okay, and they are all positioned correctly now, so the part that took most of the video last time has taken little time whatsoever. Now the only lengthy step we have is this step, because there's like flipping loads to do 3 corners. Yeah, only 27 rotations. So yeah, so far Revenge on the Rubik's Cube is looking very good, is all I will say. Okay, why does my phone pick the worst times to interrupt me? And I mean, it's not like I've got airplane mode on or anything, so that I shouldn't be getting notifications. Except I have. I'm just... Can I just, like, express my disconcern at the fact that this has not... This... It hasn't worked. Right. Okay, well, I'll try it again, because... I could have had it that it was... But actually, it meets the orientation now, regardless. Just keep doing it. You know, I ought to take a Rubik's break, but I'm getting through all this pretty fast, so we don't need one of them. Okay. Just realised I've been a little bit stupid. So it looks alright. We've got 3 faces completed, but you can see here. When I did the yellow cross, I forgot about the step to orient the yellow cross. Hopefully I can go back now and do it, and we just pretend that this didn't happen. Bottom of the pavement. And the last layer. So here, do this like that. Like this. That goes there. That goes there. That goes there. So yeah, it does mess up progress initially, but actually, yeah, but I was meant to swap. And yeah, and then I do it again, because I have to swap it again. Don't go this way. Yep. There we go. And now I know this algorithm, so so yeah, there's one in the correct position, so we just go from the corner opposite it. Just waiting. Wait, actually I should just check orientation first. Actually, I might just do this again just to... there's something that doesn't check out here. Oh yeah, that's better. Right, we got none in the correct place. There we go. Just do that again to get one in the right place. And yeah. Annoyingly, this is going to take a long time. Yes, I'm looking at this. Right, Rubik's break time. I'm looking at these algorithms and I'm not 100% sure which one I'm doing. And it's a long-winded algorithm, so I don't want to waste my time doing it, so I'm just gonna do this, see if we get anything in a slightly better position. But we won't. No. Okay, I prefer this. Yep, that's the exact one that they've got in the example, so that's very nice. Okay, keeping it going. Just gonna have to keep going. It seems, but I don't think we're too far away now. Okay, looks good. Okay, this almost looks complete. So let's go, and then go, and of course I dropped it. But we did it. Wow. That was a lot better than last time. It was still quite slow, and I mean, I did kind of mess up quite badly. But hey, in the end, we completed it. So, that's great. I feel like my next challenge should be to complete it without the algorithms in front of me, but part of me just thinks that's going to be impossible to do anytime soon. But maybe I should learn a one or two more algorithms, and then we'll talk again on this subject. So I'm still bad at Rubik's cubes, but I'm not totally awful. One thing we can say for absolute certain, it's just one thing, and I'm gonna say it. We got revenge on the Rubik's Cube. Goodbye.